Yo.
Today is Saturday.
Yeah, and we just had one of the sickest experiences. Wasn't it?
We came to Sticky Waterfalls. But where's like the park?
Oh, I can't remember.
We came to Sticky Waterfalls.
National Park.
It's actually called Waterfall.
Yeah.
But yeah,
really, really cool.
we came there. We saw a little poster on in the hostel, didn't we?
Yeah. And someone said like, if you want to hop in.
I hopped in a taxi.
It's
And we had a kind of like a free day, didn't we? To do whatever. And we came here, and we've been up and down the waterfall as well.
Yeah.
And I decked it.
It was mental. Like,
yeah,
obviously when you're in water, you're used to everything's going to be slippy, especially if you're going downhill, you're not sure. But then the rock that the waterfall runs down, maybe it's because of the water, I'm not sure, but it's completely grippy. It's like, what can you explain walking on? I don't know. You know, you get in a park and you get like the black sort of grip on the floor, as if that was going down and you'd have loads of grip, so you don't even have to like use your hands, you can just walk down. Yeah, a waterfall. Slow. It's just, yeah, it's mental. It messes with your head though.
Try and insert pictures, but I don't know how to do that. Yeah. So this is of you. It's insane! Yeah. And the waterfall's down there, but it goes down for quite a while.
Yeah, it's hard to...
But yeah.
That's the only little bit you can see.
Wow.
Zoomed in right there, in between the two gaps.
There.
There, and then also to the left.
Oh, and there.
See it, yeah.
It's crazy.
But it's just mental the way it works. And look at the view, by the way. It's jungle.
Mental. And we're at a national park.
Okay.
But yeah.
Okay, yes. This is the only slippy bit, is the very start. So that's why there's the rope there.
Yeah, I did just...
walk all that, goes all the way down, it carries on all the way, doesn't it?
And I did deck it, didn't I?
None of us fell all the way until you went on the slippy bit.
Where is it?
Yeah. Yeah, it was cool that. That was really cool.
Sick.
Sick time.
Get some lunch?
Yeah, let's get some lunch. That's one of my favourite things we've done.
Yeah, me too. Woo! We have come to the flower festival.
We have. Got lucky.
Yeah. Once a year, between the 3rd and the 5th.
Yeah, 3rd and 5th, yeah.
So we've come along just for an hour or so before we go watch the rugby. No to the football.
No, we are obviously.
It's on at the same place. No, it's not.
Well, nearly anyway. But yeah, so pretty good.
Rugby, Wales, woo!
Wales an island in an Irish pub, so that'll be nice and busy.
But yeah, this is the flower festival. They had a parade this morning, but we went to the waterfall, so we missed it.
Yeah, but I'm glad, like, because that waterfall was sick. Like, that was so cool.
Yeah, definitely.
It was really good, that.
So cute. That is nice. Can't even see it, but they're spraying. This is so cute. Oh! Oh, look. This is why I heard it's good at night, because they do all like when it goes dark. Fabulous.
Oh,
I look like a
what?
year 4.
Year 4. Gonna be year 4s down there today. That's what we are. Oh yeah.
It's Sunday. I don't have a watch on. Don't know why I looked. Sunday.
It is Sunday the 5th.
And we have come to
Grand Canyon.
It's like a big water park.
Yeah, it's cool.
Big inflatable water park. So cool. Where's that bit you can jump off?
Oh, it's not here.
It is.
No. That's the first thing I said, I can't see it. Oh, there's a little one there. See it? You go up the stairs on the board,
yeah.
And then you got that one there.
That might be it.
Huh?
Like launch each other.
Yeah. Cool. Well, let's have a good day, innit? We've got the GoPro. So. Oh, there's another one there as well. They're just little ones.
I don't think they're little.
Anyway. Yeah. So
oh my god.
Had a good day yesterday, didn't we?
We crammed loads in yesterday.
Yeah, we had the sticky waterfall, which is still probably my favourite thing we've done.
Really?
Yeah, I just couldn't. It just messed with my head.
And then And then we came back and went to Flower Festival, which I think we filmed. And then
night markets.
We did Saturday night market, which is really cool. Yeah. I preferred that to the Bangkok one.
Yeah, so did I. It wasn't so.
And then we went to the pub, watched football.
Wales lost, but United won, so at least United won.
And then we ended up at a club.
Yeah, we went out for a bit, didn't we?
Who do we think we are?
It's quite funny, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was funny actually. A bit wild to see like Brits on a night out, but in Thailand.
Yeah, yeah. It was a bit of everyone, wasn't it? A bit of Germans,
yeah.
Brits,
I am so excited.
No, I can't wait.
Let's go get ready. I'm so excited. They've got tunes playing all day. We are gonna have such a good time.
Yeah.
TJ. And our day.
At the waterfall.
The day is done.
And that was amazing.
What's that? Oh, it's my wristband.
That was good, wasn't it?
That was so cool.
We had a really good laugh.
Show you.
Like, it was so funny.
Oh, no one's on it.
No one won't show it. I just went to video it then, but...
Jumped.
Yeah, we jumped off the very top one, didn't we?
Jumped off of that.
12 metres. 12 metre jump.
Right there. It's meant to look like that. It's not actually like falling apart, don't worry. That's like the design of it, because it's all like saloon vibes.
It's all Western cowboy.
It's so cool.
But,
what? Oh yeah, you got a free drink if you could make it.
So Tyler did it 7 times. We got 7 free drinks, so we did pay all day.
Tyler didn't get past the first ball.
Oh, I did. I got onto the second one.
Oh, it's so fun.
It was such a good day.
And then over there in the distance, you can't see it. There's like an airbag that you jump off. But yeah, good day, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was sick.
Nice to do something different. Oh yeah. So we jumped off the higher one. You can't walk on it though. Don't walk on it. Ty, don't work.
Why?
Because.
Because what?
And this is what we jumped off.
Look at the glass. It was deep, wasn't
it? It is. It doesn't even look high though.
Me, Jeff?
Huh?
No one said they had a statue of me.
You're so cool. So funny. Yeah, we stayed pretty much the whole day. Nearly shut, isn't it?
Oh yeah, pretty much, isn't it? No one else is out there now. So.
Yeah, it looks very quiet. Oh yeah. Aha. That's the airbag.
And then you jump off and
you jump. Someone sits on the end and you jump off. And most people had 2 people, didn't they?
Yeah, you jump together to...
Yeah, most people have 2 people, but I was only allowed 1.
You wasn't allowed, was you?
I think I would fly too high.
Yeah.
Such a good day. We'll speak to you in a bit. Look what we're doing. Safe to say this is gonna be a good day. This is so cool. Oh, hey guys.
I am.
Oh, this is amazing. This is insane.
I know. Crack on? Crack on? Crack on?
You're not even saying the right thing.
Crack on?
No. We are on our way to Pai.
Yeah.
Today is Tuesday.
Yeah.
We are heading to Pai. Moving on.
We're like past halfway, aren't we? Or halfway.
Maybe halfway.
Yeah.
But yeah. The road's coming.
No, I really do think it'd be really cool to do this on the way back on the scooter, you know.
Do you think? Apparently it's quite dangerous.
Oh really? That's really
There's all
cool
of like the
roads
sharp
to do.
turns. I don't know. I would like to try, but then I'm not. I don't think I could do it in a straight line, let alone.
None of us were sick, do we?
No, we took travel sickness tablets, working shoes.
Yeah. So all good. Amazon, a nice one.
Cola and lemon.
Quite nice actually.
Minging. But yeah, I shall update on the journey.
Did we have a video
Yesterday. No. That's what I was saying. I was trying to insert the iPhone stuff because I did get my phone out at one point to like do a video knowing that we weren't going to do it with the camera.
But it was the best day.
Oh, by far the best day. So if I can insert the iPhone stuff, I think I can. And any photos, but yeah, it's so good.
Good experience.
And yeah, we are on our way to PAI'S. Just at a little services. It's tiny. Literally just up the side of the road.
Yeah.
And this is our van. We should probably get back in. Should we get back in?
Yeah.
Come on then. And
in the window.
The roads are literally mad. This is a pretty straight bit, to be fair. Made it to PAI'S and I love it already. I feel like the more remote we get, the more better the food options are. The food looks so cool. Like even this little place, like everything looks really good. So yeah, it's like 4 PM right now and it is very hot. Just going, huh?
We're in PAI'S, walking up to the Big Buddha.
Yes, we're doing a little walk to the Big Buddha. I think we're gonna hire some bikes at some point because every single person is on one and it would make our lives a lot easier. But yeah, we're just going for a walk. I think it's like half an hour. Ah, look. That is where we're heading. That looks quite far, doesn't it? So I shall update you when we get to the top.
Didn't hear it in my car, did you?
Do it as oh. Yeah. Child. Anyway, we made it. Well, we made it up. We made it up one set of stairs.
Yeah, now this one.
And now, oh no, we need regular brakes. You want to go up there?
Rocky style.
No.
Come on.
Mm-mm. I will need brakes. Look how many steps there is. My heart could never. Oh my god.
Come on.
Oh dear. Right, I shall. Huh?
Very bright, no shade.
Made it. Wow. And that is the view. Stun. And we came from all the way down there. Oh, pretty. We did it. That wasn't that bad.
It's cool, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Such a nice place as well. Sit and relax.
Sitting on the stair, watching the sunset. Can you even see it? Could fall asleep.
Shame I gotta go down for food.
Food. It's 5:15.
No.
So pretty.
What else can we do tonight?
Don't
Did we come from those ones? We did, didn't we? All those buildings over there.
know.
Because it's the river along there. So I think we did, you know. We travelled a trek.
Do you think?
Yeah.
We definitely should get a bite tomorrow.
Yeah, I agree. Depending on what we're doing, really.
Wait, yeah, but that strawberry field thing is, I think we passed it.
That's treks away there.
It's not though. It's only like 20 minutes. I
Let me
think.
see what I had on the plan for tomorrow.
Do you want to do the strawberry fields? It's my favourite food on the
Yeah,
planet.
you will. We will. Seeing what we initially had on the plan before the strawberry fields.
We're just going to sit here
We
and
had
chill.
this and the tipsy thing today, but obviously we were late for the tipsy thing because of the bus.
That's why I said about staying the extra night so that we could do it on the Friday.
Yeah, we'll see.
One night instead of
And
like...
then on the Wednesday I put Bamboo Bridge, so you know what that is. Yum Lai Viewpoint, which is night time, and then markets. We don't have to do the markets, we've done loads of markets. So Bamboo Bridge and the thingy in the day, the strawberry fields in the day, and then do the viewpoint at night, innit?
I'm just going to chill and watch the sunset.